Well, it looks like everything burnt down pretty good out of that hole. Got a few more sticks to kind of pick through, and that one down there is about burnt through, and this one right here still got some more brush that needs to be stacked onto it and sorted through. So I'm going to do that this morning and get this one back burning, and hopefully it won't rain before I get it all done. It's nice and wet now though. So I got all the brush rounded up from the last pile we set on fire yesterday. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay it up on here and let it burn down. I've already thrown some up on the other side, and I repiled it this morning, kind of got it nice and hot again. So I'm going to lay this in here kind of strategically, and hopefully it'll burn away. When I went through it, I kind of shook as much dirt as I could out of everything. So then I've got here brush, logs, sticks, stumps. Tried to leave all the dirt over there. I may not put all this on here right now, but I'll put majority of it on here, and I may go work on another pile and kind of let it catch up, and then come back and lay the rest on it. I don't know, we'll see. Looks like it's staying pretty hot in there. I don't want to make too terribly much smoke. We kind of are in a community. Smoke everybody out this weekend. See if I can get this big stump right here on there. That's going to take a little while to burn up. Come on. Stay there, maybe. Yep. Go ahead and put it all on there. There's not a whole lot left. I got to figure out why this damn seat is squeaking. About to drive me crazy. I'll just soak everything with WD-40. Spray everything under it. Up and burn just fine and dandy. Nice and hot. Alright, well, I'm going to let that catch up, and I'll go right through this a little bit, and I'll get a video before I leave today. So it's rained some more out here. Got the dozer brought. Be a little easier to kind of grade all this out, and we're just going to take all this dirt and roots and junk and push it in the hole and cover it up and spread a little topsoil over it. So everything burnt down really good. And you can remember how much was right here. It's all burnt down to just about next to nothing. There's a couple ends of stumps left in there, but we'll cover that up and bury those. They'll be fine and dandy. And then what's left of that pile I got going Saturday morning, smoldering away and digging on. My uncle come over here this morning. He dug the hole a little bit bigger. Probably needs to be dug a little bit more. And we'll rake all that bottom junk in there, like I say, all the roots and sticks and everything. Get a good 2 or 3 foot of cover over that. Packed in, tracked in, whatever works best, pretty much. So looks like you got another hole dug here for me. Little rock, definitely a little rock in the ground there. You can see the vein, so that'll be good enough. I can take all this and just rake it right over here in it, and drag it in there and cover it up. So now I'm going to work on digging another hole, or a hole a little bit bigger. Let it stop soil to the side so we can push it back over to the red dirt. Dig this out, that'll be enough to push all that in there, I think. We'll find out. If it's not, I'll dig a bigger hole. Plain and simple. Simple like that. Red clay, but everything on top of it is actually really sandy, which is allowing us to actually work today, because we got almost 7 inches of rain over the weekend. Pretty bad. We got a lot of flooding everywhere. So hopefully these piles aren't completely liquid. We'll find out when we start spreading them. Dug out, break some of that junk in here and track it in. Get some red clay back on top of it and track that down. Should be good to go. And Tim can probably start on that first hole up there with the dozer. Start pushing it in. Should be able to about do that one by himself, I would think. Take a few more scoops and then start raking that stuff in here, getting her covered up. I'll probably go ahead and put that out and bury that. I don't have to sit here and smell smoke all afternoon. Alright, I'm going to work on this, and I'll get a little video when it's time to start filling some of these holes in. More dirt in it, which is good. Pack in here a lot better. Start throwing this in here. It's kind of mud, so there ain't a whole lot of packing. If I drop it from high enough, it'll kind of pack itself. All this was in the burn pile, so this is why the piles wouldn't burn. All this was mixed in with the brush. What an absolute mess. Must have used a track loader, that's all I can think of. But then it was too nice for a track loader, I don't know. Maybe they had both. They were good at getting dirt put in the brush though. This was by far the worst one. fine with me. Guess I should kind of pack it down a little bit. Back over top of it. Doing this, and once I get this full, I'm going to start reaching up there and pulling some of that clay down here and getting that. So I'm filling in the last hole now, kind of raking this dirt down and spreading it out and tracking it in. Kind of helping him out with the dozer. It's a whole lot easier for me to take all this dirt, pull it down, and kind of rough it in with the excavator over him trying to push a giant berm of dirt with the little dozer. So everything grades out easier and nicer. Not a lot of boulders sticking up. Grab some of this over here. It's kind of had the rock in it. it out with the dozer. Just trying to pack it in so it won't settle. It'll settle a little bit, but it won't be too bad now. I'm gonna rake this out a little bit more and should be about done by then. So I got all the holes filled in, and Tim got that one graded off, and he's working on this one right now, and got a little bit more on that back one. Other than that, this job is pretty well done. Got to clean off this machine and head out, so I don't know if I'll get a after video, but it'll all look like that right there when we're done. So he's going to work on this for another hour or so and get it bladed off, and we'll be out of here.